Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video I will show you how to change WhatsApp theme between dark and light mode. To do this you just need to go to your WhatsApp. You have to open WhatsApp and after that go and click on the three dots on the top right of the screen, and after that go and click on settings. After that, you have to scroll down a little bit until you find Chat option. Click on it, and as you can see, the first option is Theme. You have to click on it, and as you can see here, you have three options. You have the first option, which is System Default. So your WhatsApp app will use the system default. And the second option is Light, if you want light theme like this. And if you want dark mode, you have just to choose the third option, dark, and click on OK, and it will be dark. So you have to choose any option that you want, and after that just click OK, and it will be modified directly. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.